Okay.
You better stand there and catch it, Tanner.
Come on, Jay.
I want to aim for the paper. Ouch.
Yeah, ow.
Pull it.
Pump it.
Pump it.
I pull it up.
See that? Yeah. Pull it up.
All the way forward.
My girlfriend's shooting a shotgun.
Okay, I'm done now.
One more. Come on.
No.
Thing underneath.
Give her the handgun.
No. My ears are hurting. I don't want to shoot anymore.
What do you think?
Wait a minute. Is this the gun where you're supposed to let go of your breath then shoot?
That one is a no aim.
Move, Jay. Jay.
I just wanted you to get the feel. It hurt.
It doesn't hurt.
But see, if you didn't hold it tight against your shoulder, it hurts worse. Remember it? Well, it will.
I can officially go back to camp now and say, yeah, I shot a real gun over the weekend.
Oh, yeah, you did.
Yeah, look at the bruise.
Aw, poor baby.
Okay, stop
Looks
it.
like a hickey.
Stop the video now, because I
Sure.
want to put it on MySpace. Too much memory and I can't load it. How many seconds is it on?
2 hours.